guys, it's Sierra, and today I am showing you the Hamgava collapsible folding wagon. So with this product, minimal assembly is required. I'm going to walk you through it right now. So here you have the base, this is the cushioned bottom, and then the wheels. So really all you need to do is put the wheels on. So I'm going to start by opening this up. There is like a little handle here. I think you just literally kind of pull it apart and then it collapses out. So let's go ahead and pull that open. And you can push right on the base and it's going to help the whole thing pop open. Now that I have that all the way open here, I'm going to go ahead and put my base. So this base, as you can hear, is nice and sturdy. It's hard. It's going to mean that your base of your wagon stays nice and secure and sturdy as you are moving around. And now to put the feet on, I'm just going to tip it up so you can see what it looks like on the bottom. Okay, so now that I have this tipped over, I am looking at the wheels, and something to note, the front wheels have a circular section to them and the back wheels are square. So take a look at the wheels before you assemble them, and here I have the circle. So I'm going to go ahead and just slide that into place. You'll hear it click. Take my other circle one, slide it into place till I hear that click. Okay, now over to the back. And as I'm assembling this, guys, I see that there's little yellow notches, which I'm assuming is when I'm ready to take this apart. You just press that and pull the wheel out. So this is easy to deassemble when you are done using it. Okay, so now that I have my wheels in place, let's go ahead and put it upright. Go ahead, make sure it is down and in place. Awesome. Okay, so now that I have the wagon assembled, talking about a few of the features here. So it has a really nice glide rotation. These wheels are meant to be anti-slip. This handle pulls all the way up, lock it into place. Now it does go up and down for easy maneuvering. And as you can see, I have 180-degree rotation of those wheels there. Another reason I bought this is that I read this canvas is super easy to clean. So if you do spill anything on it, you can spot clean it with just a damp sponge. But I'm really excited to use this. I bought this specifically to take my daughter pumpkin picking, so I can't wait to use this and see how it holds up.